friends! Welcome to Quizzy Hive! Like and subscribe for more fun!
Choo-choo, hi train! Whee, go train! Hello, little babies!
Welcome to the colorful fruit train.
Today we will learn colors and fruit names together!
Choo-choo train is coming fast. Learning colors is so much fun at last!
Oh look, what is this?
It's a red apple!
Apple is red.
Red, red, red apple, bright, shiny, tasty, what a sight!
Wow, now we see a yellow banana. Banana is yellow.
Yellow banana, long and sweet, healthy fruit that we love to eat.
Look at these grapes. They are purple.
Purple grapes in a bunch.
This fruit is called orange. Orange is orange in color.
Orange, orange, round and bright, full of juice and vitamin light.
Big green watermelon. Green outside, red inside.
Green, green watermelon, big, sweet red inside, dancing jig.
Wow, look at this small fruit. It's a strawberry. Strawberry is red.
Red, red strawberry sweet, tiny fruit is fun to eat.
Yummy mango. Mango is yellow.
Mango is yellow. Yellow mango, juicy and sweet. Summer fruit is such a treat.
Look, a pineapple. Brown outside, yellow inside.
Spiky pineapple, tall and bright, sweet inside, what a delight.
These are cherries.
Cherries are red. Little cherries, shiny red, happy fruit just like we said.
This is kiwi. Kiwi is green.
Green, green kiwi, small and round, healthy fruit that can be found.
This is peach. Peach is orange.
Peach so soft on, orange bright, sweet and tasty, pure delight.
Look at the pear.
Pear is light green. Light green pear, fresh and nice, healthy fruit at any price.
Blueberries. They are blue.
Blue, blueberries, small and round, color blue is all around.
Let's say all the fruits and colors together.
Apple, banana, orange, red, yay, Joe.
Great job!
Again.